Hey guys, we are in our front bathroom working on a plan for fixing the problem on our counters, which our daughters are like, they're little girls with lots of makeup and lotion and all of that jazz. So we happen to have this wall and we are planning on building a little storage unit within the wall. So we're just talking about that. We decided to try like a little vlog style video because our videos are taking us so long to produce that we don't even have time to work on actual projects.
Look, I haven't even done my hair.
That's awesome. You look good today. So we could even have like hanging jewelry stored. I mean, this could be anything you want, except for I want it for the junk that the girls keep all over their counter. Look at this. I want to vomit. Look, this is like, oh gross, there's a cat hair on it. Sick. The water's like all murky. These are Orbeez that they got for some reason in a lid container for shaving cream. It's only been here for 2 weeks. Apparently I'm too nice. I just need to throw it away.
We have creative children.
Oh my gosh. How do you rein them in? Okay, I don't know who gave us this little jewel, but it was probably at some sort of kids activity and they love it, and so it's in here. Okay. And then who knows what this bag of goodies is. They're very good at making bags of goodies. Holy cow.
All right, well.
Such a mess. Okay, I don't know why Lydia stuck this here. But this is a great, like it holds robes.
It's beautiful.
Or it holds a random notebook in the middle of the wall. All right, so here's the height of the door. I would like the opening to be whatever the same height of this door is. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So the finished height. So the molding will be the same as the door. So we got to figure that out. So I think whatever molding we put on the door, whatever molding we put on the window, coordinates with the base.
Like painted white or whatever the wall color is?
No, we'll paint this whatever the molding color is. And then the wall color will be either a different color or the same color, depending on if I decide to go all white.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the top-ish, and the openings will align, okay?
Yeah.
This is the width of the 2x4s that are stacked right here. So depending on like the molding, so here's the wall thickness and then the molding. So the opening is going to be approximately here.
So it's basically centered in
this space that you're going to be able to see. So this will be the same spaces here wherever this molding ends up being, since this isn't finished.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and then the bottom, I'm thinking, okay, so we'll have the baseboards, I don't know, like somewhere around here-ish. And then we'll have 3 or 4 inches, and the molding would be about here, and then the opening would be here. Okay? So this is molding. Molding.
So like a 1x4 molding.
Yeah. I don't know if we want to try to match the rest of the door molding, which is that just cheap molding that we have.
What do we want to store here? Like
okay.
12-inch shelves?
No, it can't be 12-inch because...
So we're trying to get like stuff like this, not there.
So makes me so sick. So, this is 8 inches tall. So maybe 12 inches would work. But then sometimes hairspray bottles are taller. So we just need to get kind of a variety of ideas. But okay, so what I was thinking is, maybe you have a shelf of stuff. I have a shelf of stuff, even though this isn't our bathroom or whatever.
So these are open shelves?
Yes.
No door?
Okay, that's a different subject. So it will be, we will cut it into the wall, we'll wrap the wall with some sort of plywood and or MDF molding. So, it might only be 18 inches wide. Or 16-ish or so.
I just had an idea.
Well, let me finish because I have a good idea and I wanted to tell you.
Okay.
So I was thinking we could, if we wanted, put a mirror over it that was on...
Oh, you just took my idea.
That was my idea! That's why I wanted to say it first. On drawer slides.
Yes!
So it could slide over here.
I love the mirror
Remember,
idea.
I said it first.
I thought it.
I said it first. Even if you thought it first.
Yes, I love that.
Okay, so then the girls would have
So it's
a full
basically
mirror.
a sliding mirror hidden. Yes.
Okay, but what we might do is do this project first and then do the mirror second. Okay?
Oh,
Like as
2
a
for
separate
1.
project.
yeah.
Okay? So that's it. Okay, that's what we're working on. We're working on this bathroom. Tell us what you think we should put in this space. Look, I just turned on my YouTube voice. Did you hear that? Sorry.
Be sure to like and subscribe and leave any comments below.
So, hope you guys enjoy this vlog. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you real soon.